Some cars are born to rule the road, but even legends can be forgotten by time. Looking at this pile of scrap, would you believe it was once the pinnacle of luxury? This is the Mercedes S600 V12, a symbol of the elite. The first step of this massive surgery, the cooling system is completely contaminated. If we don't fix this now, that V12 engine will remain nothing more than a lifeless block of metal. We're stripping away the layers of neglect. Every bolt removed is a step closer to the heart of this sleeping giant, hidden away for far too long. Don't let the prestige fool you. Beneath the luxury leather lies a disaster of moisture and mold. We have to strip the cabin to the bone to ensure not a single trace of rust survives. And here it is, the soul of the S600, the M275 twin-turbo V12, a masterpiece of German engineering, but also the ultimate challenge for any master mechanic. The engine oil has turned into thick, black sludge. These pistons work tirelessly for hundreds of thousands of miles before being abandoned. Look at this carbon buildup. It's a silent killer. Cleaning by hand isn't enough. We use ultrasonic technology to strip away grime at a molecular level. Absolute cleanliness is the foundation of reliability. The cylinder walls were severely scored. We had to bore them out, press in new sleeves, and resurface the block. In this world, a mistake the width of a hair can ruin everything. V12 power is useless without a perfect transmission. We're replacing the burnt clutch plates and inspecting the valve body under a microscope to restore that signature smooth shift. After precision machining, the V12 heart begins to take shape. Look at it, no longer a pile of junk, but a shining work of mechanical art, ready to roar once again. We return to the skeleton. The rotten soundproofing is gone, replaced by solid protection. Protecting the chassis is about protecting the car's very soul. Iridium silver, a legendary Mercedes hue. Under the booth lights, the metallic flakes begin to dance. This isn't just paint, it's a revival of the silver era prestige. A clean foundation is a prerequisite for true luxury. The fresh, plush carpets are ready to welcome the high-end interior back to its rightful place. In the world of mechanics, we call this the marriage. The chassis and body are finally reunited. At this moment, the S600 truly comes back to life, looking out through its sharp new eyes. The wiring harness is the car's nervous system. Every wire is cleaned and rewrapped. New airmatic struts are installed to ensure that famous magic carpet ride. Fresh blood begins to circulate. The engine bay is sealed with original trim pieces. Everything is neat, clean, and ready for the moment of truth. Walnut wood and premium leather. The S-Class interior has always been the gold standard of luxury. We're meticulously reinstalling every button to find that executive atmosphere again. The final hurdle lies in the complex electronics. Massage, seats, screens, every hidden feature must function perfectly, just like the day it left the factory. And here is the result. From a pile of scrap to a masterpiece, we've brought this treasure back to its glory days. The V12 badge shines as a testament to timeless power. Do you hear that? Powerful silence? On the highway, the S600 glides effortlessly, leaving its broken past far behind in the rearview mirror. Restoring a car is our way of respecting history. If you love this resurrection, hit like and subscribe to join us for our next legendary project. Until next time.